many more times are we gonna put up with this?
We can't go out there.
We can't even get this door shut. Thanks for the help, by the way.
Well, we're not gonna survive in here much longer, since you two ate all the snacks in the first 2 nights. Now, we're almost out of food.
Will you stop bringing that up? How are we supposed to know we're going to be stuck in here for that long? Besides, there should be enough to last us a few more days.
That's it. I'm going.
No, you're not going. Wait a few more days when we're actually low on food.
It'll be too late by then.
Dude, it'll be fine. When we actually get low, we'll all go.
Yeah, let's just wait until the morning.
Fine. I'm going to bed.
Clark, what are you doing?
We're checking our food supply. Looks like we're all out. Time to go.
Clark, what are you thinking? We all need food too. Like,
I
why are
did
you
nothing
eating
wrong
everything?
here. Eating the
There's
food was just
literally
trying to get
nowhere
us
go,
out
we
of
don't
here.
have
We're
anything
in
to
danger.
eat,
We're
and you're
gonna
eating
die. I
everything,
don't
and
understand
there's
what you
just
think
nothing
is
else for
going
us to
on
have.
here.
Like,
But
why
I
are
don't
we
want to
taking all
die
the food
here.
supply?
Stop!
Is it getting hot in here?
Alright, I'll open it right now. I'm so excited. Whoa, look at this. You got me a snow globe?
How could you have possibly managed to pick the one place in the world where an earthquake and a solar eclipse can happen in the middle of a blizzard?
Yeah, where even are we?
What do you mean you don't know where we are? You picked this place!
No, I didn't. I wanted to go to New York. I thought one of you two picked this place.
I definitely didn't pick it.
Neither did I!
Then where are we?
Hey, Alex, your turn.
Gotta go. Bye, Grandma.
Stop. Can we take it back to the days when we used to say, I love you, I need you, I care for you. Yeah, I promise I'll always be there for you. Where did it go? Now it seems that all we do is just complain about the littlest stuff. And when times get rough, see, I'm losing my patience to deal with you. Don't know how much longer I can be with you. Oh. We started pushing buttons that we should not push. Started playing games we know we're going to lose. After all of this, what are we going to do? Can we take it back to where we started?